Right now, several states are cleaning up from strong storms across the southeast. You can see some of the damage there on your screen. 2 students in Alabama hurt when a suspected tornado hit their school yesterday. And a tornado left destruction across St. Landry Parish, Louisiana yesterday as well, near Lafayette. Those storms also dumping heavy rain, causing flash flooding as well. Now here at home, we're tracking our own severe weather risk this week. Want to bring in our meteorologist, Mario Ruiz. And folks will want to pay attention to the difference between a watch and a warning. And I work here, I know the difference, and there's still times when I have to kind of think for a second, okay, which is the watch, which is the warning? And that's why we remind everyone every year, right? We have our severe weather trainings here in-house, and that's one of the things that we go over because the words are very similar. But here is a look at the difference between a watch and a warning. Of course, something we need to pay attention to in the days to come. A watch means that conditions are there for severe weather, but it's not actively happening. It's just a time that you need to prepare. A watch is generally issued several hours in advance of active weather, and it's generally over a big area, and it lasts for several hours. A warning means that weather is actively happening. A warning can be issued within a watch, and a warning generally for a shorter time period for a smaller area where there is an active storm. So what warrants a warning? Well, this is what makes a storm severe. It can contain hail of quarter size or larger, and or strong winds 58 miles per hour or higher, or a tornado is actively happening, or signatures of a tornado are happening. And these are some of the things that we look for leading up to a severe weather event. Increase in instability like warmth and sunshine, increase in moisture brought on by a south wind, a cold front or a dry line that lifts that air, and finally a strong jet stream to help amplify these storms. These are generally the signs we look for in severe weather days. Be sure to check with us day to day. Greg has the latest timeline in just a bit. Back to you. Mariella.